Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux Minute. I'm your host, Guy the IT Guy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Hacker Box's High Roller. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see what we got this month. It actually came in a little bit faster this time than it did last time. I'm going to try and do as much as this video without editing. Save some time. Whoa, we have some blue tissue paper. What on earth? I do not know what the blue tissue paper is for, but there is a lot of it. First, we have an M5 cam module. Let me see if I can open this up. This is to attach a camera to. Comes with a little miniature heatsink. Yep, there's the camera right on the back. Let's see if I can get the focus there. There we go. That's kind of cool. Don't know what we're gonna be doing that for. There's fireworks going off outside, so yeah. Don't know what's going on with that. Alright, and then here, in this little baggie, put that in there with the little cam so I don't forget it. It is a USB breakout board, looks like. Plug it in and then you get USB power to USB-C, USB mini, and USB-B, I think that's called. But yeah, this is basically, it's a 4-way USB breakout module. That's pretty cool. I'm sure there's going to be some interesting projects that pop up with that. And this thing is so dinky. Okay, and this tiny little piece, this is to make an electrocardiogram device. Made one of those a couple years ago in a hacker box. So this is one of the first pieces. We've got a couple more pieces. We've got 4 DuPont lead jumpers hooked up to a power block so we can plug in. Then we got the rest of the electrocardiogram stuff, and this is basically the leads and the little pads to hook up to yourself, you know, try and get it to register, say like a heartbeat or a pulse or whatever. This is the 3.5 millimeter basically a breakout board that you would plug the leads into, because they have a 3.5 millimeter jack on the end. Is that it? There we go. So that, ooh, well, one fell out. That basically plug into that. I'll put that all in one baggie there, so don't use that. Put that in there. And then here's 3 DuPont. Well, here's 4 DuPont jumper leads, just female to female. And basically the electrocardiogram device can plug into the device that the camera is attached to. So that way we can get readings. And then here's where our 4 DuPont jumpers to our little, you could say a breakout plug. Because that will plug in. It'll plug into there just like so. And then these plug into the board where you plug the electrocardiogram wires into, that's got the 3.5 millimeter. And here we have USB to USB-C cable. That's to more than likely program this. Then we have, oh, what is this? A 25-sided die? Which the die goes to is a card game called Backdoors and Breaches. Incident response card game, the core deck. That's kind of a unique game. I don't know how many players you need, but it's kind of like, looks like it's kind of like playing Magic the Gathering, but electronics based. And then we got 2 stickers. Got a kind of like a glow in the dark. One of the stickers, it's called a Cosmic Scorpion sticker. It's very weird. I don't know what that's about, but it looks cool. And then we have another sticker here called Haxer Life. And that is pretty much what all came in this month's box, besides this large sheet of blue tissue paper. I don't know what this is about. That is weird. I've never had a large sheet of tissue paper come with a box before. That is so strange. It's like they're trying to shield it or something. I don't know. But this has been HackerBox's unboxing number 55. High Roller. I got a feeling they called it High Roller because of the card game and the ones that, in the 25-sided die. I think that was 25. With the 20-sided die in the card game, and it became the High Roller. So go ahead and click the like button if you liked the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click that notification bell to receive updates on future videos. We will be releasing another video in a couple of days. So I'm Guy the IT Guy, and this has been the Linux Minute.